Hey everyone, welcome back to GadzetTube. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to upload your YouTube videos for maximum SEO optimization, so your content gets more views, more reach, and grows your channel faster. Let's dive right in. Before you even hit the upload button, there are a few things you need to prepare. These small details help YouTube understand your video better. Create an SEO-friendly title. Prepare a keyword-rich description. Write 5 to 15 optimized tags. Design a high-quality thumbnail. Save your video with a keyword in the file name. For example, if the video is about smartphone tips, save it as smartphonetipsguide.mp4. It helps with SEO from the very beginning. Open YouTube Studio, click Create, and select Upload Video. Choose the file you optimized. Your title is a major ranking factor. Combine strong keywords with viewer curiosity. Top 10 hidden features in smartphones you didn't know. The ultimate gadget setup guide for beginners. Place your main keyword toward the start of the title. The first two lines of your description are prime real estate. Again, they appear in search results. Use them wisely. Learn how to optimize your YouTube uploads for better SEO. In this tutorial, we cover titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and more. After that, add more details, keywords, gadget-related terms, helpful timestamps, and links to playlists or social media. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and niche keywords. Gadget reviews, smartphone tips, tech tutorials, YouTube SEO guide, upload optimization. A thumbnail makes people click, and the more they click, the higher your video ranks. Use bold text. Use clean text-style graphics. Keep it simple. Add a clear subject. Maintain a consistent branding style. Choose the correct category like science and technology. Only mark the video as made for kids if it truly is. Chapters help with user experience, and YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers engaged. Cards and end screens boost session watch time. Check YouTube Analytics, Audience tab to find when your viewers are most active. Publishing during peak hours boosts early engagement, a key factor in ranking. Promote your video on social media, tech forums, or WhatsApp groups. Reply to comments quickly and watch your analytics to see how your SEO is performing. And that's how you upload a YouTube video with perfect SEO optimization. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to GadzetTube, and comment what guide you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tech video.